Section 38 to 71. Today just now I am going to discuss of Indian Penal Code that changes in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Now Section 38 that now changes in Section 3 subclause 9 in general explanation. Section 38 was given personal concern in criminal act may be guilty of different offences that came in Section 3 subclause 9. It will come in section 3 subclause 9 in general explanation of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Section 39 voluntary that was given in Indian Penal Code 1860 that will come in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 in section 2 subclause 33. Section 40 offences that was defined in Indian Penal Code that it came in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 24. Section 41 a special law that came in section 2 subclause 30 in a special law. Section 42 local law that was defined in Indian Penal Code. Now it is defined in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 30 a special law. Section 42 local law that is now will come in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 section 2 subclause 18 in local law. Section 43 illegal legality bound to do that will come in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 section 2 subclause 15 illegal and legally bound to do. Section 44 injury was defined in Indian Penal Code that will come in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 14. Section 45 life it is given in Indian Penal Code 1860 that will come in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 14 injury. Section 45 life it is given in Indian Penal Code that will change into section 2 subclause 14. Section 14 death that is given in IPC will change in section 2 subclause 6 death. Section 47 animal it is defined in Indian Penal Code that will change in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 2. Section 48 vessels that will change in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 32 vessels. Section 49 year or month that is given in Indian Penal Code that will change in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 20 month and year. Section 50 section that is deleted in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Section 50 that is deleted in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Oath was given in Indian Penal Code section 51 that in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita it is defined in section 2 subclause 23. 52 good faith that is defined in Indian Penal Code that came in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 11 good faith. 52A harbor that is defined in Indian Penal Code which came in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita section 2 subclause 13 harbor. 53 it was defined for the punishments that came in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita about the punishment is defined in section 4 in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Punishment 53 section of IPC will change in section 4. 53A construction of reference to the transportation that is deleted in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Section 54 commutation of sentence of death. Now it is in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. It is defined in section 5 commutation of sentence, and section 5 commutations of sentence of imprisonment for the life that is also given in section 5 commutation of reference. And section 55 definition of appropriate government, that explanation or to section 5 computation of government is given. Section 56 sentence of European and American tribunals and servitude provisions to sentence to for term exceeding 10 years but not for life, that is deleted in BNS 2023. The functions of the items of imprisonment that was given in Indian Penal Code section 57, that will come in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Now, in 58 sections of Indian Penal Code, 60 that will change in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. It will be deleted. Section 59 transportations in a state of the imprisonment omissions earlier, that is also deleted in the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. If you are liking it, then like it and subscribe it and share it also. Thank you.